Okay, Happy New Year.
Happy Year.
Love you.
Yellow.
Happy holidays.
Holidays.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Yeah. Good morning. So I realize it's been months since you guys have had a vlog, and to be honest though, we did film like when we were in San Francisco visiting my parents. I think also like here, like moving into a new apartment. But anyways, we're in our new apartment. This is our bedroom. This is where I anticipate most of the vlog is gonna take place. But yeah, we moved in officially with all of our stuff like end of October. So now it's January. It still is, a lot has moved in. I'm actually very impressed with how much has moved in, but there's just a lot of stuff. Obviously, we're moving from a really big apartment to a smaller apartment, and so we got rid of a ton of stuff, but there's still so much more stuff. But the goal of this video is New Year. We're going to be organizing and cleaning. So our bedroom situation is not the cutest because everything that you see here that looks very organized but unorganized is stuff that we need to sell or donate or get rid of, because I did a recent closet clean out. But all of this stuff here, I recently took a photo of. This is a super cute Ghani dress. If you guys know Ghani, I love Ghani, but unfortunately it's a little bit too small. It's a size 4. She's not a size 4 anymore, but yeah, I took a photo of all of these items that I just listed on my Poshmark. More to come, of course, but very proud that I did this. This super cute Adidas set, I've had this since, believe it or not, 2017. This was one of the first outfits I think that I wore like on my Instagram, but love that. Also doesn't fit me anymore, unfortunately. So yeah, I realized actually a lot of these clothes I'm getting rid of because they just don't fit me anymore. Besides these purses, I just have a lot. I have to get rid of them. But it's good to get rid of clothes when they don't fit you anymore, because I've held on to these for a long time, and I realized that when I hold on to clothes that don't fit me and I just like hope that one day they will, it just makes me more sad. So I hope that you guys love these amazing pieces. Check out my Poshmark if any of them are of interest to you. So I realized that I'm saying Poshmark, but you guys might not know what that is. This video is actually sponsored by Poshmark, but I've been using it for a really long time to sell clothes from my closet that I either just don't fit anymore, aren't my style, etc. And it's a really great way to refresh your closet because you can buy and sell on there fashion items, home decor items, baby items, even cosmetic items, which is really, really cool. All you have to do is take a photo and then you write a description, list the price, and then the best part is that shipping is taken care of. That is the most annoying part about selling clothes online, in my opinion. And then money shows up in your account after they get their item. But it's a really great way to shop sustainably, and then just extend the life of your closet. So yeah, if you guys want to check out my Poshmark, then you can go to the link in my description. I'll have my closet there that you guys can check out, and yeah, buy something if you would like, if anything sparks interest. But yeah, we have other stuff to do, so I should probably stop trying on clothes and go do that other stuff. Lou, thanks for helping us organize our storage unit. How's it going, Decky?
Oh, it's going great.
Dayon did such a good job organizing all of our storage stuff.
Half full everything out
It's
there.
pretty insane. Yeah, but the amount of stuff you've managed to fit in there, Dayon spends hours. Like, he'll go to sleep at 3 a.m. because he's just down here. Yeah. He's like, do you want to come with me and organize it?
I'm like, I have a new idea on how to like maximize the space. We have extra shoes here, Nina. Do you want to look through some of these?
No, I think we should sell a lot of those. It's like out of sight, out of mind, so it's time to sell them. Blue, are you having fun? Fun. What are you doing? Carrots?
Okay.
This is all the stuff we're bringing upstairs to either sell, donate, or give to friends. So no matter what, I don't care. I just want to get rid of it.
What about you, Blue? Are you getting rid of stuff, or?
He actually just accumulated more toys.
Ooh, yeah.
More, please?
Excellent. Thank you, Blue.
Wow. Have a more? Oh, still. Wow.
Looks great, Blue.
Give it to your mama. Thank you. You made it with baki. You made it, see?
So we brought everything upstairs.
I just want to go
Yay.
to sleep now. Like, We'll just deal with this tomorrow. Just put everything on the floor. 2022, you can't go into the new year with baggage, even though we did. But it's okay, because it's only January 1st. Tomorrow, we'll deal with everything.
High hopes.
Oh god, it's a lot. Is it yummy? Are you happy?
Yellow.
We put blankets here because in the middle of the night, X will just like kind of push everything off, but then he really likes sleeping on the blankets now.
Do you know what is this one?
Monkey.
What's this one?
Elephant.
Yeah, elephant. What's this one?
Bear.
Bear.
Octopus.
Apple.
Yeah?
Doggy.
Is that a doggy? Look.
Monkey.
Monkey.
There's the monkey.
Can you give monkey a hug? Like that. Hi, monkey.
A monkey. Yeah.
No. You did like him. Could be cozy for now, don't know.
It's a perfect fit for you.
Do you want to try it on? On? Look, it's a banana suit. Do you like it? So this booth is filled with bags, but I actually don't really remember what's in here. Oh yeah, it's Tam's bag. I haven't worn this since the summer. Probably because I put it in here and then I forgot, but definitely keeping those 100%.
Should try and hang it in your closet.
Yeah. Tote bags, but these are a good size one, so we'll probably keep these.
Probably put those in the front.
This I don't think we need. Well, actually, no, we wanted to
That's
keep it
for
for
Blue.
This is gonna be Blue's backpack. Yeah, we can keep this. This bag. We put a ball in here. This one of my fave tote bags. It's a glob bag. Very cute. This is a baggy bag. Great for groceries. Keeping. This one's definitely a keep. This bag. Cute.
I used to wear that one all the time.
Yeah. You keep? I mean, I probably won't wear it very much.
It was a good one for me. Yeah, maybe I should.
Okay, you realize everything in this
It's so small, okay? We'll just...
You can keep your one bag.
Yeah, you're like making me decide on my one bag versus your 50.
It's such a struggle. I really don't feel like organizing right now.
Are you losing gas?
Hello.
What are you doing with mommy's chopstick?
Cassie.
Thank you.
Should I go wide? Oh no.
Then.
Look, can you say hello, everybody?
Hello, baby. Hello, baby.
So this happened. We're currently organizing all of our toiletry stuff. Can you just take this and then bring all of the shower stuff? I can already sense you starting to drop stuff. Okay, can you actually just go get me the things now?
Just get out the way.
Alright, moment of truth. Oh, you did stand them up.
We hit a brick road. A brick wall.
So it's like 10 and I feel like I can't do it no more. I'm so tired.
Tomorrow, hopefully.
There's always tomorrow.
Good morning. Went for a little park day. We put on the worst outfits we could think of today. This shoe combination with these pants are atrocious. Nina's doing yellow, orange. You know, you guys are cute though. You guys are matching.
It's the fact that we got out here at all
That's true.
is what counts.
Whoa. Whoa. Heading back home so we can organize our bedroom. Careful, Blue, it's very slippery. So we just came back from the park. I actually tried to put Blue down to sleep, but he decided not to take a nap today. Nina's actually in a meeting right now, so I moved most of the things out of the room that is like for Facebook Marketplace. So I'll probably take some photos right now. We got some random things here, like this lamp we don't really need anymore. We have no space for it. Some shoes, a bunch of like random tripods and ring lights and things that we just don't really need, like extra cameras, old batteries, such and such.
I'm done with my meeting, so now it is time to take a bunch of photos and stuff, because I said I was gonna do it the other day. 100% did not do that. But before we do that, we have to vacuum the floor because my hair is all over it. Hi. Hi. Hi, cutie. Like, you want to just stand really close to me? That's okay.
I think he thinks you're about to FaceTime someone.
Oh.
This is how productive we get, though. If you guys were wondering why the YouTube videos had slowed down to a halt,
Where are you going?
it's this guy. And spotted a new thing that he wants. Tripod.
Hello, tripod. Let me start taking photos.
Let's start poshmarking, girl.
I gotta make sure these laces look right.
Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Again.
Hi, silly.
Now we're doing this again.
See, this is why mommy can't do the photo taking of the shoes. Oh. Hey, Nugget. Can I ask you to play with your ball while mommy takes photos of these shoes?
Well,
Oh, Blue, they're too big.
big.
Big. Are you gonna help me?
Already.
Alrighty.
I can.
I honestly feel like I should have this video segment like unedited. Just full, this is how it goes. So far, mommy has taken 0 photos.
Shoes. That's daddy's shoes, yeah.
1,
1,
2,
2.
Here, I'll shoot it for you. This is giving me a lot of anxiety.
What? Does it look that bad?
Look, even just right here. Oh, compared to art, look at that.
Yeah.
It is art.
That looks great. Good job, Decky. He's in the zone right now.
I can honestly start like a shoot Insta.
I listed everything, and now I think I'm gonna just chill. I am not feeling well, so I think I'm just gonna go to sleep. Blue's gone to sleep, Dan's at basketball, and I might actually do my nails because I need to take these off and redo them. They started chipping a little bit after a couple weeks, but maybe we'll do some nails, and then we'll just wait till Dan gets home so he can help me clean up the mess that I made, taking all my photos, my Poshmark stuff. But I am glad that's out of the way, and I am so ready for these clothes and all these other things that we need to get rid of to be out of our home. So make sure that you check out my closet if you want to buy something. It would really help me out.
Wow, just coming home to the most productive being.
I left a pile of stuff for you to fold back for me.
Oh, yay! Did you manage to
Yeah, I
take the photos?
Took the photos and immediately just planted myself here. I've been here for what, an hour, 2?
You watching the show? Cute.
Thank you. All right, bye guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.